Good afternoon. We are Jax Gaming Studio presenting our brand new video game, Aeon. Please allow us to introduce ourselves as creators. My name is AlexisBrantley.
I'm Samantha Gopal.
I'm Jennifer Hurley. I'm Kelsey Murphy.
And Stanley Rowden.
This is Alexis. Aeon is nothing like you've ever seen before. Here at Jax, we are a subgroup of Bungie, the well-renowned game developer of Halo and many others. Aeon offers several customizable aspects that will be discussed further on. You can wage war and never die.
Hi, this is Sam. I just wanted to give you a few facts about Jax. Jax is the new studio from Bungie located in Tacoma, Washington. We created Aeon, set to hit stores in December 2019. Our target audience consists of teens and young adults. Our primary demographic for our target segment are teens and young adults ages 17 to 25. With the ability to toggle on and off violence and maturity levels, we can then extend that range from ages 13 to 25. With the ability for parental controls and maturity level settings, we plan on bringing our game to a wide variety of people from young and old.
Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the Aeon gameplay. In the world of Aeon, you can be anything, do anything. The entire game is customizable. The customizability levels include everything from the weaponry and avatars all the way up to the maps. We also offered a feature where you can customize the level of maturity so parents can toggle on and off violence and language. This will enhance our marketability, not only that, and add more to our target demographics. This is Kelsey, and I'm going to be speaking to the cost of production and the marketing breakdown. Video games can be very costly to market, especially new games that do not have a strong following established yet. When Jax created the cost of production and marketing breakdown, we looked into other video games of a similar nature that had built a strong brand as well as following to help create our marketing breakdown. Within the research, we focused on total cost of production for the game, along with total profit that year. The cost to create Aeon would be $50 million, with $4 million in itemized production costs, being the CD, the actual disc of the game, as well as the case for the game and the distribution. The marketing campaign includes beta testing that within the market prior to the release of the game, costing $20 million. The game selling at $60 per individual game, bringing the total gross margin to 90%, with profits reaching $200 million.
This is Stan Rowden at Jax Gaming Studio. We are pleased to offer its new game, Aeon, in a variety of ways. To accomplish this, our company will utilize the omni-channel marketing method to sell our game. Primarily, we will offer the game at traditional retailers, both online and in their brick-and-mortar stores, including, but not limited to, GameStop, Target, Walmart, Fred Meyer, and Best Buy. We will also offer the game at online-only retailers such as Amazon. In addition to the physical copy of the game, Jax will make Aeon available via instant download to the console of the customer's choice. Aeon is available to play on multiple consoles including PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and PC or Mac. Jax can be contacted via email. All customer inquiries can expect a reply within 48 hours. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you for listening to this presentation of Aeon by Jax Gaming Company.